Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Binance. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account yet, or even if you have, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the description or in the comments for you to be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Also, it will help support the channel. Now, going back, since there is no direct transfer from PayPal to Binance, well, the most common workaround is to first withdraw money from PayPal to a linked bank account or card, and then use those funds to buy cryptocurrency on Binance. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you. As you can see here, I'm currently on Binance, and when we go ahead over to trade under P2P, maybe we're trying to buy some cryptocurrency in here, and when we're trying to look for payments, as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and use the search bar and type down PayPal. As you can see, it is not available. Okay, but don't worry, as I've said earlier, you still have an option. Well, just go ahead and open up PayPal or any of your banking apps. Okay, let's say you go ahead over to your connected cards right here. You can go ahead and add banks and cards, and at the bottom you'll have the option banks. Just tap on banks, follow simple prompts, and transfer the funds. And once you have the funds on your card or bank account, you can now then go ahead and go back to Binance and just top up using that funds from your bank transferred from PayPal. Okay, add funds right here or directly buy under trade. Okay, as you can see here under buy and sell, you can go ahead and tap on pay with. You can tap on this option and you have card, Visa or MasterCard. Also, when you just wanted to top up right here, add funds, deposit USD, you can go ahead and use card, Visa, MasterCard as well, and bank transfer. Okay, depending on the currency that you have. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and use BHP. Right here we have e-wallet. You'll be able to use your Gcash wallet and bank transfer as well. Okay, there you have it. That is how you transfer money from PayPal to Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.